Welcome back, everyone. I know I'll get 8 for revealing this about Facebook ads. I don't care, in as far as I'll be able to help someone. If you are one of the lucky ones watching this tutorial for free, click the like button, drop your question in the comment box, and share this video to help others also. So, I'll be showing you the secrets about Facebook ads, and I want you to watch closely and follow the tutorial. So, this tutorial I did today will be day 1, and I'll be explaining what you need to know about Facebook ads. And if you have any question, if you are watching this video from the group also, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the support group. Okay? But if you are watching this video from either Facebook or YouTube, you can, if you have any question, you can message me. My number is already displaying on the video. You can message me and I'll be added to the support group. You can also drop your question in the comment box, and I will respond as soon as possible. So, if you are in the support group, I've already told you, you should share the group link. So, this is the group link. So, just make sure you click on the video and forward. You can forward it, either your status, can you see? Either your contact. Just make sure you shared your contact with someone else, okay? Share it with your friends and let them also enjoy and let them benefit from the video as you are benefiting. Thank you. This is day 1, and let's get at it. So this video will be about 10 days free Facebook ads training, okay? So day 1, introduction to Facebook ads. So what is Facebook ads? What Facebook ads really are and why businesses need them. Difference between Boost Post versus Ads Manager. Types of campaign: awareness, consideration, and conversion. So as I said, make sure you share the group link to others to join and to benefit from the live session, free live session, okay? Free live session. So let others to join. So if you want to join also the live session, you can also use this link, or around this video I will post it. Let me just share the group link so you can see it on the screen. So let me be teaching how as you can see here. So we have people join. So this is the group, this is the link to join the live session if you want to join. Okay, let me just show you. So this is it. So around these videos I will share the link so you too can join also. But if you can't get through with this, you can just message me on WhatsApp. Now make sure I add it to the group so you can have access to the meeting link also. The class is 100% free. No one is charging you. Okay, so now let's get started. So now day 1. So now let me explain. So introduction to Facebook ads. Hello fam, welcome to day 1 of our Facebook ads training. So what are Facebook ads? Facebook ads are paid promotions, okay, on Facebook or Instagram that allow businesses to reach new people beyond organic followers. And if you are new on Facebook, maybe you're just watching this video, you don't know anything about ads and about Facebook ads. Facebook ads simply means just showing people your products, your services, your rendering services, just let people know what you do. Okay, I can also use doing posters or flyers, sharing to people as also a paid promotion. Do you get? Because you use money to print the flyers, you pay a printer to help you to print it out, and you pay them on. So that is how Facebook ad is also. Okay, so but let me say this before some people will not understand. So let me say it to a layman that you will understand very well. So before you can run ads on Facebook, you need a Facebook account, which I believe that if you are watching this video, you already have a Facebook account. So, and you have a Facebook profile, but you can't run ads through Facebook profile. You need a Facebook page, okay? So a Facebook page gives you access to run ads, okay? So, and with one Facebook account, you can have up to 7 to 8 pages on one single account, okay? On one single account. So make sure you create your page. Once you create your page, you can now start posting content, and you start posting your content related to what you do. So the algorithm will understand what your page is all about. Okay, so let's continue. So why ads? Organic reach is low, less than 10%. And ads help businesses to get more visibility, leads, and sales fast. So the thing is, even if you have 1 million followers on Facebook, that doesn't mean that all your followers will see all your content. So you can see here, 10% means like if you have one, let me just use an example, like if you have 1 million followers, they are telling you that it is less than 10%. That means less than 100,000 people will see your ads if you have 1 million followers. Do you get? If you have 1 million followers, imagine I have 5,000 followers. That means it's only 500 followers will be seen. Less than 500 people will see your content, will be seeing your posts, your videos that you are posting. So you will have limited reach, okay? But if you use ads, okay, you will reach more people and you will even make money. You get leads, you get people that will be interested in what you are doing to buy from you or to work with you, okay? Or they buy your product, whatever you are selling. So the next one, boost post versus ads manager. Some people just go ahead and go to Facebook. They go and they boost post. Okay, if you boost post, that means you are just wasting money because you will not reach the audience you are looking for. Okay, Facebook will just help you to push your ad, but with limited sales. Okay, it might not even make sales, but at times it will not even make sales. So it is not flexible. So to use boosting post, okay, don't boost post. So that is why we created this section, this masterclass for people that want to learn how to run ads by themselves. So just follow the tutorial and I will also show you the difference between boost post and ads manager. So boost post, can you see basic promotion, not flexible? Okay, it's not flexible, but just basic promotion. You know what they call basic basic promotion is when you just like you want to run ads. Instead of your ads to be showing to people, to the right audience that will buy your product, your ads will be showing to people, random people that maybe the algorithm have already have the data of them. Maybe they just come online to like post or to comment or to share. Do you get? But at times might be lucky and your ads might even get people, and one or two, imagine you have spent like 100,000 naira and you're selling 5,000 naira product and only one person buy the 5,000 naira product, and many eyeballs have seen your videos but only one person or two person buy. Will you be able to invest in that kind of ads again? So you will not be even happy. So it's good for you to run ads and make good sales for yourself, okay? So do it professional. So as you can see here, ads manager is equal to professional way with more control, targeting, tracking, and optimization, okay? So that is what basically means about the theory part. So let me now show you. So let me just show you now on Facebook. If you don't have this app on your phone, go and download it from Play Store. Okay, go and download it from Play Store. So you just need to download this app. You call it Ads Manager. Do you get Ads Manager? So as you can see, this is the ads I'm running. This is ads I'm running. So let me show you. This is the app, Meta Ads. Just go to your Play Store and search for Meta Ads and download it. But before you be able to sign up, you must have a Facebook account, okay, before you can use it. So if you have any question about it, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer your questions, okay? So that is the app. And I want to show you something about boosting post. Let me go to Facebook and let me click on the picture. So now let me go to advertise. Can you see here? Advertise. So you can also run ads through this page, but it is not too flexible. So it's not flexible also. So you must need the app. So you can see something here, boost a post. They tell you to boost a post, but you can see they just tell you if you just pick random videos on your page, just pick random something and click on it. Once you click on it, they start pushing your content out there. Do you get? With your money? But it is not flexible. So let me show you very well. Let me also show you very, very well. I think I need to show you. Okay, can you see now? They said this post now, I should boost it. Do you get? So if I click on boost post now, they will show me now. Can you see? Automatic, get more message, get engagement. Someone will just come here and just choose random something because he doesn't know how to do it very well. You just go ahead and choose anything. Our audience, maybe even know about audience, but some people don't even know anything about this one. They will just go ahead. Can you see? Like people choosing, but I will show you the difference also. They will just go ahead and add money. You just click on post now, but it's not flexible. I noticed that most people don't even know that they are wasting money, and most people have even made that mistake in the past by posting post, because you won't make money. Okay, you won't get your money back because something return on ad spend. ROAS, you will not get your money back. You will not get your return on ad spend if you are using posting post. So let me use it like that. So now, how can you do it? This is the app you get that you need. Okay, this is the app that you need to download. So once you download it, you just need to sign up on your phone. So you click on sign up, the settings, everything will show. Do you get where you need to fund your wallet? So let me just show you how you can also fund your wallet also. So once you click on that, you can even add funds. Do you get? You can even click here and add funds. So your payment method should be Lagos, Nigeria. If you say you should add payment method, I always tell my students you should use pay by bank transfer. I recommend pay by bank transfer, okay, if you want to fund your wallet. So as you are watching this video, I believe that before the end of this video, I want you to run ads. So I believe that you have a page already. So if you don't know how to create a page, let me quickly show you on how to create one page. So you just go back to just click here, and let me go back to my account so I can show you how to create a page. So now you click here. Can you see here now? So once you click this angle here, this top right corner, you click on the picture and you come to pages. You see pages here, click on pages, and once you click on pages, you can see you click on create. So let me show you something about this. This one is just if you want to create personal, do you get personal another profile, because Facebook allow you to create another profile in another profile, but what you just need to pick is professional. Do you get this one? And click on next. So you put your page name here. Any name you want to give your page, just put your page name. If you want to name it Education TV, anything you want, just from Edu TV, Education TV. So just make sure you just use it. And so let me click on next and see something about here also. When you are creating a page, your page must correspond with what you are selling. I have said it times with a number in the live session. Like whenever you want to sell, whenever you want to create a page, make sure you put your categories. This is part of your optimization. Do you get? Some people will think that maybe only posting content or changing their bio. This one is the main place, the main settings of optimization. Do you get? Even when you are posting content, your content will be reaching your followers organically. Do you get? So make sure you put something that is related to what you want to be doing. Like TV now, maybe I just want to be posting content. I can posting content like pranks, comedy. I want to be blogger. So do you get? So I can choose it. So if you are into skincare, you must choose skincare, something beauty. Something. Do you get? So I think I'll be able to. I don't want to create more page, so that's why I just want to go back. I don't need page, so fast forward. So let me just go back here and let me show you how you can fund your wallet through your page. So this is my page. So I can just come here and I can click on this, my picture. Do you get? I need to visit my profile. I need to click on advertise. Do you get? Advertise. So and I need to create new ads. And I can also fund my wallet, my ads account through this interface. Do you get? As a newbie, I'm teaching you this one as a newbie, but in our next video I will show you how you can create your business portfolio and how you can add money to your wallet through your business portfolio. But it may be complicated to some people, but if I explain and you are watching this video, I'm showing you different way you can fund your wallet. Okay, you can click on add funds here and just choose how much you want to pay. Do you get? You can choose 5,000, can choose 3,000. Any amount you want to pay, just click on it. Sorry, let me just clear it. So let me just clear it. So let me just use 3,000 and make sure when you are adding the money, I always say I recommend pay by bank transfer. So make sure you use pay by bank transfer. I hope you learned something in this video, and I believe that you learn one or two. So that is that for the introduction for the day one of our lesson, and I want to show you something here. This is my own task now, that if you are watching this video, okay, if you are watching video, maybe in the comment section or you are in the group, okay. So before the day two, I want you to this is this task, okay. If you are following, because we don't just teach, we do follow up on everyone that will be watching this video, okay. And I will ask you questions whenever you come to my DM and you watch my video. You will answer the question you are seeing on your screen right now, okay. That means you are following. So what I share here is your assignment should be share one business, yours or anyone you know, that really needs Facebook ads right now. Share one business that you know that needs Facebook ads to grow, to get more visibility, that you know. So tell me in the comment section, or if you are in the group, in the support group, share it there. If you can share it also in my DM, and I'll be waiting for you to share your experience, and also share this video to other people and let them learn, okay. So thank you and God bless you. So if you find this video helpful, click on the like button, okay, and share to your friends also, okay. Share to your friends and drop your opinion. If you have been running ads before, let me even know your own experience about Facebook ad in the comment section. So thank you. If you want to see more video like this and you want to continue, want to also to watch the day 2 of this video, you know what to do. Subscribe and turn on notification. Also follow this page, okay. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now. See you in our next video.